Hello students, myself Deepika Prajapati from Computer Department, and let's start. Today we are going to discuss about practicalization in network management and administration. So dear all students, in all the practical exercise, the configuration and operation have to perform on Windows platform except where OS is specified. So dear all students, here the practicalization regarding networking management system. So this one is nothing but the list out about our practical exercise. So first practical consider as execute basic TCP IP utilities and commands. So dear all student, here we have to perform transmission control protocol IP as well as it's also considered as internet protocol. So here we have to execute basic TCP IP utilities and command. So for example, ping command, IP configuration command, reset command, ARP address resolution protocol command, TCP dump command, voice, host, netchat, NS lookup, FTP, telnet, etc. So and so these all commands perform using command prompt. So dear all student, here one is our first practical exercise about networking management administration is execute a basic TCP IP utilities command. So how to perform this all command? So we have to perform this all command in a command prompt. So here we have to first of all open the command prompt and then write down this all command ping, IP config, reset, ARP, TCP dump, host, netset, so and so. So this one practical consider as hours required as 2 hours. Then next second practical is configure router. So here router ने configure करवानु कहे छे. So router configure as Ethernet and serial interface using a router commands including access list of any network simulators. So here we have to use a packet tracer using the Cisco packet. So dear all student, we have to perform this practical using a Cisco packet tracer. So practical number 2 is considered as a configure a router, Ethernet and serial interface using a router command. So we have to perform different types of router command and configure the router using a Ethernet and serial interface. So here we have to use a Cisco packet tracer. Then this practical also consider as a teaching as well as a learning hour required 4 hours. Then 3 number practical is configure VPN component and set up VPN. So what is VPN? Virtual private network. We have to use daily in our mobile system as well as a website system. We have to use a VPN. So how to VPN configure and set up this virtual private network. So this practical consider as a teaching hour as well as learning hour required as a 5 hour. Then practical number 4 is consider as a design and implement small network using actual physical components. So here the design and implement small network using component with IP address scheme. So this is nothing but this is a one type of best example is our college system. So whenever we use PC for the network system, so different types of PC have a various IP address scheme. So this is nothing but the demo example of our network using actual physical components with IP address scheme. So this one is nothing but here we have to use in our college system for the networking system as a DHCP, dynamic host configuration system, not a static. So this practical consider teaching hours as a 4 hour. Then exercise number 5, it means practical number 5 consider as a configuration of the following: remote login service telnet SSH, secure socket layer as the consider telnet, and then configuration of FTP file transfer protocol server or accessing it via FTP client. So here how to we configure FTP server and remote access login. So this practical also consider teaching hour required 4 hours. So here in this practical number 5 we have to learn how to remote login access and how to configure FTP server and accessing it via FTP client. Then practical number 6 setting up and configuring local print device and network print device. So this is nothing but the connection with a printer. So setting up and configuration local printing device, it's wired, and network printing device, it's wireless. So how do we connect with a printer, wired printer as a local print device and wireless printer as a network print device? So this one is a very easily understand regarding this practical, how to connect with a local printer and network printer, and this practically teaching hour required 2 hours. Then practical number 7, creating Windows Server boot disk. So boot disk is nothing but how to bootable disk. Then practical number 8 is installing Windows Server, and practical 9 is installing and configure Linux server. So this one is nothing but considered as a bootable disk. So we have to make first of all Windows bootable disk, then installing one Windows server, and then install one OS like a Linux server. Then practical number 10 is contained as configure following services on Linux server. So Linux server ની અંદર કઈ સર્વિસીસ કન્ફિગર કરવાની છે, એમાં ફર્સ્ટ આપણું છે મેનેજિંગ યુઝર અકાઉન્ટ એન્ડ ડિવાઇસ કોન્ફિગરેશન. સો ધીસ પ્રેક્ટિકલ કન્સિડર એઝ અ ટીચિંગ ઓવર 2. Then 11 practical configure and use Telnet and VNC server. So from 10 to 14 practical consider as based on a server. So 10 practical defined as a Linux servers, 11 practical defined as a Telnet server, then 12 practical defined as a Samba server, then 13 practical defined as a FTP server, and 14 practical consider as a proxy server. So 10 to 14 practical we have to perform about various types of server. Then 15 number practical say that installing Active Directory and creative AD object. So how to be installing Active Directory and creating AD object? So this directory object installing process and creating AD object teaching hour required 4 hour. Then 16 number practical consider as a create domain controller. So how do we have to create domain controller? So in this practical we have seen about create domain controller, and teaching hour about this practical is required 3 hours. Then 17 number practical said that create new users and assign privilege and permission on the server. So 17 number practical consider as a teaching hour required 2 hours. Then 18 number practical modify, delete and deactive users and group. Then 19 number practical configure print server and backup server. So how do we configure the print server and backup this print server? So this is a most IMP practical and as well as a theory based question regarding GTU exam. So this practical and also theory based question is most IMP regarding our GTU exam, and this practical consider as a teaching hours 4. Then 20 number practical said about identify segment network faults and troubleshoot. Then 21 practical said manage Microsoft Windows Internet Security Services. It's nothing but WINS role. So W stands for Windows, I stands for Internet, N stands for Network Security, and S stands for Services. So Windows Internet Network Security Services is nothing but WINS. So how to manage on this WINS role on a server? So 21 practical defined as this aim, and teaching hour required for this practical is that 4 hours. Then manage Microsoft certificate services, and then manage desktop configuration using group policy and remote installation services. So dear all students, perform this all practical. Any of practical from above for the total 56-hour duration, so that all of the units are covered. So dear all students, this is nothing but a basic knowledge about our this practically session. So I hope you all easily understand about this practically overview. Okay, thank you.